Welcome back to eVentGuru. In our last video, we showed you how to send invitations to your guests. But now, it's time to dive into the exciting world of tracking RSVPs. This step is crucial for seamless, successful event management. Let's track your RSVPs by taking a journey to your dashboard. On the left side panel, you'll notice an option called My Invitations. As you click on My Invitations, a display awaits you, filled with a comprehensive list of all the invitations you've sent to your favorite guests. Within this screen, you'll discover guests who have responded positively, regretfully declined, or are tentatively considering attending your special event. But wait, there's more. To know the exact details of each guest's response and witness the magic unfold, simply select the invitation you wish to track. Once you've chosen your desired invitation, click on the Manage option. A drop-down menu will appear to unlock guest tracking. You'll have access to vital details such as names, responses, and even the number of adults and children attending. Imagine the power and ease of taking actionable steps based on this insightful tracking system. With eVentGuru, you have the tools to ensure a seamless and joyous event experience for all your valued guests. Get ready to track RSVPs effortlessly, make informed decisions, and create unforgettable memories. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for joining us on this video tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from eVentGuru, your ultimate event planning companion.